Unbelievable. Take it down. In the professional lumber industry, the Husqvarna 562 XP stands out with its powerful performance and stable operation. This chainsaw is equipped with a high-performance engine and a durable design, enabling efficient wood cutting, increasing productivity, and ensuring user safety. Are you looking for an effective solution to handle large tree stumps? The 350 Hitachi combined with the CBI cutter is the ideal choice. With its powerful engine and outstanding performance, the machine helps cut tree stumps quickly and efficiently, optimizing the workflow in harsh conditions. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you find the FH20R stump harvesting machine impressive and effective in wood processing. This vehicle lifts massive logs onto a truck after harvest, optimizing the wood transportation process. With its powerful engine and specialized design, the vehicle ensures safe and quick handling of heavy logs, boosting efficiency in the wood processing industry. Transporting wood in the forest requires a combination of power and agility, and the 175N tractor is the ideal choice. With its powerful engine and excellent off-road capabilities, the tractor ensures efficient and safe wood transportation, even in hard-to-reach forest areas. The truck, with its 500 horsepower engine and the ability to carry tons of wood, encounters an issue while moving across a muddy terrain. However, with the help of a tow truck and an excavator, the truck was quickly rescued and continued its transportation work. Transporting an overloaded truck on the streets of Medan becomes extremely stressful. With a weight exceeding the legal limit, the truck struggles to navigate through narrow, crowded streets. The traffic disruption and safety risks make the situation even more complicated. After transporting the wood to the production facility, the first step is to sew the logs into planks. This process helps create products with uniform dimensions, ready to serve various purposes, from furniture manufacturing to construction and woodworking craftsmanship. In the wood processing industry, the new generation vise lining is a breakthrough solution, specially designed for peeling timber. Its unique, patented peeling system ensures the process is carried out without damaging the log. This equipment is suitable for both forest and millsite operations and can be powered by electricity or a tractor, delivering high efficiency in wood processing. The RP EMA Lux bark peeling machine, equipped with a powerful 150 horsepower engine, is an advanced technology that enables fast and efficient bark removal. With its modern design, the machine ensures the peeling process is carried out without damaging the log, preserving its quality. It is ideal for use in wood processing workshops and outdoor operations. From walnut and maple wood planks, through the technology of the machine and the craftsmanship of the artisan, the square-shaped vase is carefully assembled with finesse. While its ultimate purpose is yet to be determined, its flawless beauty leaves everyone in awe. Have you ever imagined that raw, bulky logs could be transformed into works of art? With just a handheld machine combined with the skill and talent of the sculptor, they gradually take shape into intricate wooden sculptures. When an efficient solution is needed for bark peeling, the mobile Wiedemann 1000 bark peeler mounted on a low loader is the perfect choice. With its mobile design and flexible operation, the machine enables quick wood processing even in tight spaces, boosting outdoor work productivity. Next, the Hypro 765 HB eucalyptus bark processing machine not only allows for quick bark removal, but also helps preserve the quality of the log. Its modern and user-friendly design optimizes the processing workflow, minimizes risks, and enhances efficiency in wood production. Did you know that the wood is automatically ejected after the bark is stripped? This process can achieve a bark removal efficiency of up to 95%. The equipment is widely used and is suitable for freshly cut softwood, hardwood, frozen wood, and dry bark. Comtech Axtor 8012, the ultimate wood grinder with the ability to handle logs with a diameter of up to 47.24 inches. With its durable design, high power, and outstanding performance, this machine becomes a valuable asset for businesses, boosting productivity and reducing production costs. When flexibility and efficiency are needed in the grinding process, the Dopstat AK grinders, such as the AK640, Alaska 565, and AK315, are the ideal choice. The machine can easily switch baskets or hammers in just a few minutes, allowing for the processing of various materials. With this capability, the machine delivers perfect grinding results, providing maximum support to businesses in optimizing work efficiency. The newly designed hydraulic woodcutter is built to withstand heavy loads, enabling fast and efficient woodcutting. With advanced technology, the machine can easily handle large, tough logs, ensuring high durability and outstanding work performance.